Have a look around the workshop, eh?
Yeah.
So we've got rebuilding area off to the right. So rebuilding area, we do the gearbox, engines, retarders. What else do we do? Diffs, all of it. You know, all of it's here. We've got the stands for the engines. There's a retarder getting rebuilt at the moment. Comes around here. We've got all the special tooling. Our big Scania tooling area. So all these boards are Scania boards. They're all designed by the factory or made by the factory. All these boards are numbered, coded through the work instructions. You literally go through the work instructions. Every board's labelled, numbered. You just go straight to the tool when you're done. So if we have a walk around here, just a quick walk around, there's plenty of tools. They're not shy to make a tool, Scania. There's anything. Diffs, engines, gearboxes, axles, your steering tools. What else they got? All the hydraulic pressing tools, pullers, anything and everything. Cab lifting tools. So, no, they're definitely not short on tools. Right, so we'll take a walk around the workshop. One of the old Scanias getting worked on at the moment. We'll come onto the pit, eh? So engineering bay, do all our engineering, welding, grinding, everything in here. It's good to have one bay and then all the grinding dust and everything doesn't go everywhere. We'll come onto the pit. The pit at Scania in Wiri, you've got brake rollers set up for pre-COFs, so we can do all our own brake inspections. At the moment, we've got a couple of new Scania and older Scania on here for service. Easy to work on. We're having a pit, so life's so easy. We've got all the grease guns in the pit, oil drain, you've got 2 oil drains. One of the Scania V8s in for a service, so pretty easy to work on. These Scanias, they really think about everything. The guards come off, you got full access to the engines. The Scania VA's got individual cylinder heads, so you can rebuild the cylinder pretty easy, one by one. What else we got around here? We got our wash. Got all our oil drains, wash bay. Washbay's getting truck on the washbay's getting wheel alignment at the moment. We've got all our oil drain, oil guns, all on the wall, ready to go. All Scania oils. Yeah.
That's us.
That's it. Yeah, love it.